So learning analytics, we are back. So we will be solving problems from a site called Wise Owl Training, which provide us free exercises to solve any analytical problem or any topic which is there in that particular tool. And it gives us a unique and a simple way to solve the problems with the topic wise, and it also gives us the solution. So we will be working on that. Right now we will working on Power BI, and in Power BI we will be working in DAX. So there are total of 59 exercises in DAX. So we will be starting with calculated columns. So first exercise we have to create a calculated column where we will show the total floors and the average height of each floor. So in this exercise you can see like we have to create a DAX calculated column in the Microsoft Power BI desktop to generate the new values for a list of the tallest building. You can download the file from here. When you click here, it will get downloaded, for example this, and it will give us the downloaded file here. For now I have already downloaded the file, so what I will do, I will just go into the Power BI desktop. So these are the tables here in this file. So we will check what we need to do to solve this problem. So it's giving us the step 1, open the tallest building calculated column. Okay, I have opened that. Now it is giving us a step that's telling that from this ribbon choose the table tool where we will add the new column which is known as the total floor column, and we will add the floor above ground and floor below ground, and it will give us a calculated column. So let's go in the sheet, we will go in the table view, and from the ribbon we will go in the table tools, and here we will click on this new column, and we will add one calculated column which is total floors. It's just a normal mathematical calculations. We will do plus here, we will do floors above ground plus floors below ground. It will give us the total count of all the floors above and below, 54. Okay, now the other situation is we need to create another calculated column called average floor height. So average floor height, it's clearly mentioning here that we need to divide the height M column by the floors above ground. So we will add one more column here, and we will name it average floor height. So what we will do, we will take height M divide by floor above ground. So it's giving us the values like 6.56666, 4.30 something. If you come to this exercise, you will see that we are getting a similar values also in our desktop file. So what we will do right now, it's giving us another step which is telling us that we need to make these decimal numbers into 2 decimal only. So it's clearly mentioning here in column tool, we will go and we will click here and add 2. So let's go here, we are in column tool, and this we will select the column that we want to change format. We will choose it to decimal number, and then automatically there is 2. So right now we are having 6.57, which is much more readable than the earlier one. So right now we will check if our data is correct with this site or not. So for this, as in the site, it is also given that they have taken the table. So we will also take the table to check if our values are getting accurate, if we are getting an accurate values or not. So what we will do, we will go in visualization pane, we will click on the table, we will add building name, then we will add total floors, sum of the total floors, and then we will add the average of the floor height. So we will mark it as average, and let's see if we are getting the accurate values. So for now we have total floors 8378, and average of the average floor height is 487, which is accurate. And if we sort it by descending order, then 6.89 is the first and 6.65 is the second value. So 6.89 and 6.65 is the other value. So here we are getting the accurate values. So from here we learned two simple steps to add two new calculated columns. That's all for today. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.